This is a resort called Montage Big Sky in Big Sky, Montana. And this opened up 2 years ago in 2021. And this is the 3-bedroom residence. It's a full 230 square meters, which is about 2,500 square feet. Montage is a luxury hotel or resort chain. They have properties, they're not as expansive as, say, a Marriott or even like a Ritz-Carlton, but they do have resorts in Hawaii and Cabo and not really city hotels, but more resort. I wouldn't say remote, but in resorty areas. And Big Sky qualifies as one of them. This is a ski area, actually, and I'll show you outside in a second. So this is ski in, ski out. So the area of Big Sky where Montage is located, it's a new development, both in terms of the ski slopes and the lift operations. There's tons of new development for vacation homes and rentals. And this is the flagship luxury hotel. So I'll show you outside in a second. There's a lot of work still being done in this area. So this is a 3-bedroom residence. This is the backside, or actually the front, well, opposite of the entrance. The main area, overlooking a fire pit, the cafe. There's a pool, a lawn area. I think that's like the main warming hut, lodge area. And so you can see there's a ski lift that goes up. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see. Yep. You can see some of the ski runs up there. I don't know what kind of ski resort, how nice the slopes are. I haven't been here, and I didn't do my research. But there are multiple lifts in this area. Of course, in the summer, you can do a lot of summer activities. Biking, fishing, I guess if you're into it, shooting, whitewater rafting, all kinds of stuff like that. Full kitchen, there's a stove, refrigerator, really gigantic center island, sink. So this is the main living area. So let's, I'm not going to open every nook and cranny and show all the refrigerators and, whatnot. Let me zoom out just a little bit more. 8, 7. Anyway, so let's carry on. So there's 2 hallways, one to the left of the entrance, one to the right. We're going to go right. Before we go to the master bedroom, this is the media room, where you can chill out, enjoy watching TV or movies or music. A massive TV with advertising of the Montage resorts. So let's take a view from here towards the hallway. That's what it looks like. Mind the distortion of this video. I have it a little bit set to wide mode so you can actually see more without me panning too much. But hopefully you get the idea. So this is one of the bathrooms. So this is 3-bed, three toilets, 2 baths, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong. And then further down, you have a laundry room. Convenient if you're going to have an extended stay. And then coming down, you have, actually, you know what? I think that there's 4 toilets and then 3 of them, 3 baths. So this is the second one. And then here's the shower area down here. Okay, so we turn back down the hallway. Over here is, looks like a kid's room with a bunk bed. And then there's a closet. There's a lot of storage in this 3-bedroom residence. The aesthetics are really nice. This really suits the style of my significant other, which is really what makes what is most important. Master bedroom. Another lookout. Gorgeous, huh? So this is a king bed, the master bedroom. Okay, so let's go to the master bath. There's closets in every room. This one's a pretty massive one. Put all your luggage, hangers, shelves, drawers. And then the master bathroom, dual vanity, sinks, deep soaking tub, toilet and shower. Now, this is really awesome. You'll notice this has been kind of the bane of our luxury stays in parts of the US, especially in the US, but other parts of the world, including Europe. And is that they don't have wash the toilets. Here they do. And look, you step close and boom, it opens up. And this is a very nice Toto model, similar to what we have in our home. So anyway, so this is what it looks like. All right. And then at the end, we are going to go all the way down to the hallway. So we showed you 3 bathrooms, and then coming this way. Actually, maybe there is only 3. Let's open this up. No, oh, this is a closet, storage. Okay, so I guess there is no bathroom on this side. Nope. Wait. Nope. This is, yes, a 4th bathroom. Bathrobe, slippers, shower. So it looks like the master bathroom is the one with the Toto wash the toilet. The others don't. But hey, it's only the 2 of us, so 1 to 0 is a huge difference. I'm not going to open up closets and all that stuff. So anyway, so this is, I guess, this is this 3rd of 3 bedrooms. Really nice decor, furnishings, kind of country home-ish, but contemporary and airy. It's not dark. It's muted, but stylish at the same time. It's really, really nice. Kind of exudes kind of bright airiness, luxury, comfort, and modernity without being too cold, if you will. Anyway, so this is Montage Big Sky in Montana, 1 hour from the West Yellowstone entrance There's a ski resort. There's, you know, plenty of things to do in in Big Sky country, as they say. In Montana, the state is known as the Big Sky State, but there's an area called Big Sky where there is a ski resort here. And this is a luxury property, the 2,500 square feet, roughly 230 square meter, 3-bedroom residence. Montage Big Sky. Hope you enjoyed.